Ubat Charles Pingrove MLA kanong thamai ula terwa baka sarkar ka ban atulop ru masiteng ne ki MLA na kabanta ki jingnan kam ka jinla hakabagi khun ye ki jingpang coronavirus. Ubat Charles habai shimbanta hakajinga tai halor ka mangtingka arjar ha arphau arpui ulong ba amde ban atulop tang ne ki minister bat kinong trai sarkar. Ulong ru bada ka atulop ne ki MLA lawan pensange no ye ki jing atulop ne ki nong trai sarkar ki badang dan ki kerdan ki baret.
Sir, I would be grateful to you also that you had called the meeting of the Honorable Chief Minister and the Leader of the Opposition to discuss the salaries, the contribution. And we are happy to learn that the ministers and grade 1 officers were going to contribute 50% of their salary to help the Chief Minister in his to make sure that we had sufficient funds in the bargain. But I would like to state, sir, that as a house of 60 members, in fact, the salaries of a minister and an honorable MLA, there's not much of a difference, just a couple of thousand rupees or few hundred rupees. Now I would like to say, sir, that why not we reconsider your decision? Because when I checked on my last pay bill, from my salary only 6,000 was deducted, which would probably constitute 10%. But I'd like to say, sir, that in this case, under the present circumstances, it would be in the fitness of things if, as honorable MLAs, we all agree to deduct 50% of a salary, not only the ministers, because they have the same salary as us, like I said, so that the state's coffers can be at least be contributed to. And also, in the days to come, there will be travel allowed by all the government of India, and the government of Meghalaya. So the committee tours that would have happened, sir, within the state of Northeast and outside the state should be withdrawn till the next financial year. And the funds which has been allocated in the budget of the assembly, sir. So this is your discretion, I am just suggesting, can be returned back to the government so that they can use that funds for this case. And also, sir, we have deducted 50% salaries and different slabs for grade B, C, D employees also. So most of these employees have taken home loans, have taken personal loans, have taken educational loans, and even loans for medical purposes. Now, if that is deducted from the banks, by the banks, and from the government salary, they'll have little or nothing left to put food on the table. Therefore, it's my humble submission, sir, that this government, with your permission, sir, allow us to contribute 50% of all the MLAs with salary and help them and restore back the percentage of salaries which you have deducted from the employees of BCT. Grade 1, and that's okay because they anyway have a high salary, it doesn't affect them.
Kari khasi channel kala yo banya kran bu MLA jo kanong thamai halor kani ke jingterwa jong u haying darbar thau an.
Kemakai ke jing jong ki ba ki kan ke mani deban atulap kan.
Ko hai por mo. Long ba ka sarkar ka la khate ye ka tulap jong ki. Grade 1 2 grade R la hisab ke kuntum. Grade 1 grade 2 grade 3 tingong ek jong grade 1 tumne lei. Ini grade 2 3 4 pade apli kini di gibriu ki ba shim loan nakamenta ka honsina yeng. Te namta ka ayuru namta wan pai ki khol shabar ban pule. Educational loan, medical loan kini kita ibon mo. Tila da ki khati ka tulap jong ki. Desa ka bangku kan khati tikin mdani bos sakin bakin paham.
hai hai hai
Jinjar pun penyai ka yang kesem.
hai
Tingong ba apa ka sarkar ko ong ka ba. Akari ka budget ka kedau ba ka pisa ka dan temo.
hai
Di banyera biya kata belengi ngim contribute lang.
hai
Mas ki ministers ki ong marchiteng sulap kin contribute nei.
hai
Inga jing temu jingmut ba. Shimla ki emily boro no fumut.
hai
Kamar ka tulak ko ni ka choy te. Kasi peta malu mala.
hai
Tetapi long minister,
hai
kasi peta malu mala. Hindi la film long minister ka tulak jong ki boro no fumut ki di ka jo.
hai
Tingong khati ya na boro san 4%. San 4% na ka tulak jong ki emily.
hai
But ki grade 1 officers can get the IAS ki mo.
hai
Director ka. Te ka ni harap ya ka sarkar.
hai hai
Ki takaba pelai no iki nong trei sarkar ken wadum sing wadum kot ken ik jongki. Or ke jongi.
hai hai
Takaba ar ngong apa assembly dan ke budget jongka committees bon tour sebate.
oh committee assembly hai hai
Sige boleh tour keleng sodong.
hai
Ki bawa na baru kidan.
hai
Ki boleh nangane ru kidan. Dia ladangi ada niya. Pinsengen o shwa kani namtaka hadu ka next financial year.
hai
Tika tu budget ka badan tika lapan phaidi ang sarkar.
hai hai
Dan kami ka toru. Nakabenta ka ayu. Nakabenta ban siu no kitulab yung kinong tray. Nang kitulab employees.
kedai hai hai
Kaya nga ay jung kumta kay.
hai menef yang ba apa semini yang ba ka payslip fi ka pa bagi ka ki minus 2,000 ni ka tu tu pakadai ka digai
Tulong nakatulab ka Bar sa piong tulab ni hapon naka basic. Brim lang ka tulab boro ko. Namar kiwi kamdi ka tulab.
ha
Tidak tulab sor meli subo fit ay otang roja tumnan jimut ke. Oman marsi tengenship.
marsteng okey tak ha
Kalaban point ki rai sau laksis nem.
ha
Te kain fi ro pun ka ter hamla bon re.
labun ha
Te na we ta kain. Ni golong ba hoy. Kat bala te ngi ki nong ni kmat ki bas ki bha kami aja ko pai ba te deben. Ni habi contribute ta
kan kita boleh cuma